Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I want to give a quick update about the airdrop that happened today for GUMMY meme token on Solana. You can see guys that this token did a lot of excess. Okay, it went from 0.001 to 0.06 and it has a market cap of 36 million. It's still very low and the liquidity is 1,044,000. The 24-hour volume is 27 million. You can see the volume is very high and they have 24,000 holders already. So let's calculate how many percentage it did today, because it just launched today. You can see here the 20th of April, which is today, and we can go here to calculate. Okay, let's do it. It went from 0.0006. Okay, let's go back to DEX tool. Oh, 0.1. Okay, went from 0.1 0.06. Okay, that's a 59,000%, guys. It did a 59,000%. That's a lot. I got some free tokens I got on the website. I'm gonna show you how, guys. You can see here how many followers. There are 45,000 people. And you know who's behind this token. Like I told you guys, is a big YouTuber. His channel is called 𝗬𝗟𝗙𝗘. He has over 700,000 followers, and a lot of YouTubers are following him and talking a lot about this token. And you can see people are still claiming the airdrop. You can see here over 100K are claiming GUMMY airdrop. If you're still struggling, clear your cash on your Phantom wallet and keep trying. Because what happened, I used two wallets to get the airdrop. So the first one went through very quick. The second one I had to keep trying and trying until I got my airdrop. And I'm gonna show you how you can do it. You're gonna go to the website here, which is gummyonsol.com. I'm gonna leave all the links you're gonna need, guys, to get this token. I'm gonna leave everything on the description box. All what you need to do is just go and click on the link, and you're gonna find this link and more links that you're gonna need. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna click on here, claim your GUMMY, and it's gonna take you to solstorm.com/claim. What you're gonna do here, you're just gonna connect your wallet here, and it's gonna give you a button here called claim. You can, like this one, it's gonna be here. As soon as you have to make sure that you have some Solana for the gas fee before you do that, because it's gonna ask you for the gas fee. The gas fee is not that, maybe some cents. Just put $1 there in case you need more for the gas fee. I believe it's less than that, maybe 30 cents or less than that, 15 cents. All what you're gonna do, you can see here, this is the amount of token you're gonna get, and it's 100%. And because the 30% is gonna be, because when you go here to the website, you can see here 30% is airdrop. So you're getting only 10% now. When you're gonna claim here on the website, you're gonna get only 10%. You still they're gonna airdrop at 20% later. They didn't say when. They said few days, maybe a week. We don't know yet. So if there is any update, I will let you know, guys. All what you're gonna do, you're gonna see here how many tokens you have. is 100%. That means you're gonna get only 10%. The 20% you will get it later. I don't know when exactly. All we're gonna do, just click on this one. It will say claim like this one, and then your wallet is gonna pop up, and you're gonna confirm your transaction, and then it will be on your wallet. And the second one I got because I have two wallets, because it was three possibility how you can get the airdrop. If you want to know more about that, look at my previous video. I explain everything you would like to know. And I got the airdrop on this. Like I said, you're gonna go to the website here, and you're gonna click on here. If you participate in the 𝗙𝗏𝗠𝗠𝗬.com when you collect the points. And the second one is on Bluefin. You can see here is listed on Bluefin already, and it's now 0.03, trading at 0.03. Earlier it was 0.02. Now it was 0.2. So what I did earlier, I make a good benefit. What I did earlier, I got all my tokens, and I buy some more from Redium. And then what I did, I sent all my tokens to Bluefin. So the price on Dextool was 0.02, and I bought more with the airdrops I have, and I send it to Bluefin. And what I did, I sell all my tokens in here for 0.2. So I made a lot of profit. And what I did again, I went back before the price drop, because now the price is the same as the Dextool. You can see here 0.04, and you go to the Dextool is 0.03. So what I did, after I sold all my tokens, I sent back all, and I switch to Solana, because on Bluefin, when you sold your token, it switched to USDT. So what I did, I switched my USDT to Solana, and I sent all the Solana to my wallet, and I purchased for a low price. You can see here now there is no difference between the Dextool and the Bluefin. Is almost the same. But earlier it was here for 0.02, and in Bluefin was for 0.2. That was a lot of arbitrage there. So I made a good benefit. So like I said, guys, this is good opportunities. And for me, it's not a financial advice. It's just my opinion. It's still too early to participate. If you would like, you can buy it now. The price is still cheap, and a lot of people are talking about this token and may go up in the future. It's not a financial advice. It's your money. I'm not asking you guys to buy. It's your money. It's your decision. So let's remind again. If you would like to get an airdrop, what you have to do is you're not gonna find it straight in your wallet. You have to come to this website, and you have to click on this link, and this link is gonna take you here, and then you will see how many tokens you have. This is only 10%, like I said. They're gonna airdrop 20% later, today, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, I don't know. They didn't say yet. And you have to claim it. When you click on claim, your wallet is gonna pop up to confirm the transaction, and when you confirm your transaction, it's gonna go straight to your wallet, and then you do whatever you want. You can sell it, you can hold. For me, when I do the arbitrage, I bought it back, and I'm holding it now, and I'm still waiting for the price to go up, and then I will sell it and make more benefit. So guys, this is the latest update about this airdrop. If there is any update in the future, I will let you know, guys. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Like this, you will get notified first, because we still have 20% is gonna get airdrop to us. Plus the founder, he says that there is more airdrops in the future. So don't hesitate to like and subscribe, and you're gonna find all the link you need in the description box. If you have any question, just drop me a question in the comment, and I will try to help you out. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.